Alright, man, am I recording? Alright, let's see, man. This is my first time doing this, so I have no clue what I'm doing, alright? But anyway, it is your boy Diego Ortiz. You can call me E. You can call me whatever, just call me E. But this is my Acura RSX Integra, whatever you want to call it, DC5. It looks pretty bad, dude. Like, I ain't gonna lie. She does need some work and stuff like that, but this is what the channel is about. So very first video, this is gonna be the project of the channel. We will go turbo on this in the future. We will make it nice. My plan is to make it a DC5 Type R replica. So of course we're gonna have the wing, we're gonna have the emblems. Call me a poser, call me an up badger. I do not care, bro. We have to do it on this one. Does have, like, it needs work done, obviously, in the body. Like, it has a little bit of rust here and in the other side as well, which I do gotta fix. Other than that, under the car, everything, there's not really that, like, it's not just like rusted the fuck out, you know. It's not like a, but I do gotta fix that. Bumper, gotta paint it, put a lip on it, put some wheels on it. I don't know what wheels I'm gonna do, but yeah, this is the rust spot over here that I gotta fix. I might honestly take it to a shop because I do want this car to be either championship white or black, so because I don't like this color. So we're gonna do that. We have to fix that spot, this spot. Other than that, it's pretty good. Yeah, man, this has a little HKS exhaust, which I'm gonna change, dude. I'm gonna put like a Buddy Club Spec 2 or something. But got some parts in here that I gotta install, rack and pinion, and some cams, stock cams that I'm not gonna probably ever use because we're gonna go K24A2 on this. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a little startup. Not really anything special, to be honest, but this is the first video, so you know, I gotta, you know, get used to it and stuff like that. This channel is more gonna be like, obviously we're gonna do POVs and stuff like that, but I also do want to show you guys, you know, every step of the build and what I do with the car and everything. So yeah, but let me stop talking. Let me just turn this on real quick. Let's go ahead and see, man. Alright, thought I had my e-brake off. So it does have an idle problem, which right now it's fine at 1 because it's warming up. So it idles fine right now, and it shakes a lot because of the motor mounts. But when I'm like driving it after, it'll start going up and down to 2,000 RPM, 1,000 RPM. So it's an idle air control valve issue, which I do gotta fix. It's nothing, honestly. Little K20, stock K20. It has an intake over here that goes all the way at the end, which I have to fix because every time I get water, it starts acting up. So I gotta fix that. She needs some love, definitely. Like, no cap, dude. Like, she needs love, a lot of love. She's got 300 on her, and she won't have 300 exactly soon. Just wait until maybe, like, I don't know, a month or two. We're gonna be driving it for now like this, just stock, until I can get a brand new motor. We're gonna put a Buddy Club Spec 2 exhaust on it, and that should be a lot better because we will go K-Pro as well. Just little by little, we're gonna do engine first because I care about the car driving, and it has quite a bit of mileage. So this motor needs to go already. It needs to be laid to rest. But then after we get the motor situated and the transmission all done and tuned in this car, we're gonna go paint. So this car might be in the booth for a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna wrap it or what. I haven't decided, but I want it either white or black. But yeah, this is gonna be the project for now. We're gonna go on a POV drive now, just around the street, around where I live here, just so you guys can see how it sounds and handles and whatnot. We got a stereo too. We got Apple CarPlay, but I ain't gonna connect that now. So, all right, let's see, bro. Honestly, I still gotta get used to this car because it's just weird. Like, I don't know. I like the clutch. It has this clutch on it. I don't know. It's like an aftermarket clutch. All right, let's see, man. Let's see. It is a bass too, I forgot to mention that. So the VTEC is not gonna pop crazy or anything, but she drives fine, you know, like. She is slow though. Something about this cluster, dude. I don't know if you guys can see it right. Hopefully it's not too bright out. I'm trying to like adjust it and stuff like that. Just let me know. The videos will get better, obviously. I still have my gaming channel and shit to do, so. But this is gonna be like for my IRL stuff when I'm out, you know, out and about. We're gonna be recording, driving. Feel what I'm saying? Yeah, she's slow as fuck, bro. She takes forever to go from 60 to 80, dude. Oh my god. Just wait until I go turbo in this thing, dude. It's gonna be pretty cool. Cause I did build like a D16 Civic, but I never made a video on that shit. Turn around over there. But this one, K20 Turbo RSX, we're gonna go big Turbo RSX stock. I'm not gonna push it that much. I'm happy with like 400, 450 on a stock motor. We'll be set, bro. I'm sure I will pull at least 75% of the cars out in the street. No cap. Like, I'm not even trying to like boost my ego or anything. But these things are pretty light. So yeah. I have a lot of plans for this car, so it's gonna be great, man. Let me just shut up and drive, dude. Yeah, man, I like this thing. It's just it needs some love. It looks ugly too. Like, it actually looks ugly without no bumper, no wing on it. But we're gonna turn around, do a little second pull, third, a second, or a second to a fourth. But yeah, man, as you guys can see, I live in a very snowy area, dude. I cannot wait for the snow to freaking leave out of here, dude. Actually, like, I'm actually looking forward to the snow leaving. Like, I don't want no snow anymore, dude. What the fuck is that car doing? Y'all see that shit? Alright, we're gonna turn around right here. Feel what I'm saying? Oh, fuck. I spun right there. Y'all see that shit? Alright, we're gonna turn around right here, dude. I'm gonna turn around right here. It was kind of random last minute, but let's see if I can spin. She spun. Yo, I smell tire burning. Yo. For 300K miles, bro, she still runs. It's just, she needs some love, man. Look at this dude. Turn, bro. Little bumpy road, and I just scratched third gear. Fuck. She is slow, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She is slow. But spins first. That was funny as hell. Yeah, I don't know. For some reason, if I go from second to third really fast, even though my clutch is all the way in, it'll still like it'll still grind. I don't know why. I think it's the transmission. Just it's gone, dude. But yeah, man. Yeah, this is gonna be the channel. Call me E, call me D. I don't care, dude. Call me Diego. I might get another car here and use that as, like, you know, 2 cars, POV, stuff like that, make content. We'll see though. We'll see. But the main purpose of this channel is the Turbo RSX, which we will go. Kind of hear it. Yeah, she doesn't, the VTEC doesn't really pop, like, you can't really hear it, honestly. This exhaust is just, I don't know, it's just too muffly, I guess. It's too, like, I can barely hear the engine, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, maybe it's just, you know, because I'm in the driver's seat, but doing now the pool right here, little third pool. Yeah, something about this cluster, dude, I just love it. She's slow as fuck though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, like I said, man, it's not really a fast car right now, but it will be soon. And these roads are hella bumpy, dude. I gotta change the coilovers on this car as well. It's got max speeding rods coilovers, and I don't want to like downplay them or some shit. You know, I don't want to talk bad about them, but I like to have brand good, like good actual brand stuff. You feel what I'm saying? Like actual stuff that's worth buying, type of thing. You know. But yeah, man. She sounds good though. Damn, bumpy ass road, bro. Bumpy ass road, dude. Hopefully you guys can hear the car fine and the wind is not that much. What the fuck? Okay, go up. I'm gonna turn around right here. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about right here. So when I'm literally like, look. The car's still, it's on idle, right? And it'll go, I don't know if you guys see that. Look, it's 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, 2,000. Look. Staying up to 2K. And then it goes down to 1K, look. And then it goes up to 2K. And then it goes down to 1K, see? It's so weird, I don't know why. And then the vibration, I don't know if you guys can hear it, or obviously you can't feel it, but the vibration is like super weird, and it's because of the engine mounts. The dude put some hard engine mounts, and I don't know why, dude. Just put on the regular stock OEM ones, because they have bushings on them. These ones don't. These ones are literally direct. So everything from the engine I can literally feel here when it's idle. Not driving, but idle. So yeah, that needs to be fixed. We'll be getting some mounts here soon. Obviously a K24 with a transmission on it is gonna run me about 2K max. The two things. Obviously the K Pro is gonna be like 1,000, but we'll get that pretty soon. Once we get tuned, I'm sure we're making some jam here. Like actually, like once we're actually like in, dude, just wait. Like once we're tuned, dude, with the K24, we'll be set. Yeah, now it didn't grind. Hey, 80 in what, 3 gears, dude? God damn, this is slow as shit. This is slow, dude. Let's turn around over here real quick. Cause I'm not really trying to go far home, honestly. Only for right now. Just only for right now. Oh, forgot to put it in first. I'm like tweaking out right now, dude. She sounds pretty good though. See? Grinded third. My fourth. She doesn't grind fourth. Oh, we're heading 90. Let me chill. This is like a 45, dude. But yeah, I can't wait, dude. I just can't wait. She is slow, does need some love. Like the transmission is a bit rough, honestly, including like actually third gear, like especially third gear. I don't know why it grinds, but hey, I'm gonna get rid of it soon. Trust me. Hey, she just needs some love. But that's gonna be the channel, man. that's gonna be it for the video. This is gonna be the car channel for right now. Might get another car as well, so you guys can have some fun looking at the POVs and stuff like that. We'll be sure to do some more. Drop a like, subscribe, do all of that stuff. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go to the gaming channel as well. We're gonna upload on the gaming channel, upload on this channel. We're gonna be active, bro.